channel. So to start this makeup tutorial, I'm going to prime my face, and I'm using the Professional Pro Primer by Benefit. I haven't used this in so long, it's been a while, so I'm super excited to use it in today's video. And for foundation, I'm going to be using the Frankierosecosmetics foundation, and I'm in the color Olive. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply foundation. Wow. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply some foundation on my beauty blender. Like that. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more. So moving on to concealer, I'm going to be using this one by TooFaced, and it's the Born This Way concealer, which I love. It's full coverage and it's not drying at all, so I do highly recommend it. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on the areas I usually conceal. I'm gonna apply some on the bridge of my nose, on my chin. So yesterday I went to work out and I'm super sore. I didn't even want to get up in the morning, and look what I got right here. I have an energy drink because I really need energy right now, and I don't really like them, but I really need to drink it because this actually gives me energy. So I mean, it's kind of good, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything out with my beauty blender. So now to set my concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Mercier translucent powder. So for bronzer today, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one by Benefit, and it's the Hoola bronzer. So I'm gonna use this right here to bronze my face, and I'm going to use a T20 brush by the Makeup Shack. This is like the perfect bronzer brush. It's my favorite. And now I'm going to clean everything up with some translucent powder. Okay, now for blush, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one by Benefit as well, and it's called Galifornia. It's more like an orange, like a peachy orange blush. So to highlight today, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlighter. You guys know I love this. So I'm gonna go ahead and highlight. And I am using a A23 brush by Anastasia. I'm also going to be applying some on the tip of my nose. Okay guys, so the face makeup is all done, and now I'm moving on to the eyes. Today I'm going to be doing something very colorful. I haven't done anything colorful in like 4 to 5 months. It's been a while, so I'm super excited to show you guys what I created, and I hope you guys like it. I am using the new MORPHE X James Charles palette. Hey sisters. But I'm so excited for you guys to see what I came up with, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm done with the eyes. What do you guys think about this look? Let me know down below. I just can't believe I stopped using colors like this. I am obsessed with it. I'm sister shook right now because I'm super happy with the way this came out. So I hope you guys loved it. And I'm definitely gonna do more colorful looks, so stay tuned. But now my thoughts on the palette. I love it. I highly recommend it. The colors are super pigmented and it's such a beautiful palette and I just really love it. So if you guys missed out this time, next time they restock it, you guys should definitely get it because it's such a bomb palette. But anyways, now for lips, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Glam Pro Forever lipstick. It's like a peachy lipstick. I didn't want to use anything like too dramatic because I already have a lot going on and it was just not gonna look cute. So I went ahead and chose this like peachy lipstick like I said. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. So this is how the lipstick looks like. It's super pretty and I feel like it goes really good with this look. So now to finish up this makeup tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face and I am using the Morphe setting spray. I'm finally done with this makeup tutorial. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave and also make sure you turn on your post notifications. That way you guys could get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm about to hit 100,000 and I'm super excited. Thank you guys for the love and support. And I love you guys and I'll see you guys on my next video.